Now, if you're driving a Lexus or any car with dynamic cruise control, this is something I did not know, so I wanted to just make a quick video and just explain this. So if you have this cruise control, this is a Lexus, and you're driving in the car, and it can slow down and speed up on its own because it kind of reads the road, the car in front of you, so it slows down, it speeds up, puts the brake on, things like that. But I never knew it downshifts automatically downhill because there's no car in front of you. It doesn't stop, but what it does, it uses the engine as a brake. And I think that's kind of intelligent. I don't see a lot of videos about that on the internet. So I just wanted to make a quick video just to talk about that real quickly. I'm going up a hill here. I was going to give you an example. I'm driving up a hill and the car's on cruise control automatic. And as I was going up the hill, no problem whatsoever. If there's a car in front of me, the car brakes automatically. But if there's no car going downhill, it doesn't brake going downhill. It uses the engine. It downshifts itself to use the engine to slow the car down. And I found that fascinating. So that's kind of a cool, interesting thing. You can see it right there. I'm going downhill. You can see the engine ramp. You can see the RPMs ramping up. That means the car downshifted automatically to slow the car down, did not apply the brake. So that's intelligent, very intelligent. I love that. So I want to make a quick video. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.